Alright, so let's continue now with our mutable.py file from the last video. I want to start with a question here. How many lists are there in this program? If you're not sure, keep watching. If you think you can work out the answer, then pause the video and come back when you have an answer. Okay, if the question doesn't make much sense, another way I could have asked it is, what will be the contents of another underscore list? So pause the video and come back when you have an answer to that question. So did you get the answer? Well, there's only one list, and we can confirm that by printing another underscore list. So let's do that on line 15. Print parentheses and another underscore list. So if we run this now, another underscore list also contains cookies, as you can see. So we've got one list, and we've added cookies to it on line 12. Let's just bring the rest of the program into view. It doesn't matter whether we refer to our list using shopping underscore list or another underscore list, both names have been bound to the same object, and that object now has cookies added to it. To labour the point, let's create a few more references to our shopping list. I'm going to start on line 17. I'm going to type A equals B equals C equals D equals E equals F equals another underscore list. Python allows us to do that, chain assignments, as I've done on line 17, and that's actually equivalent to the code I'm about to paste in here. Absolutely identical to that code as well. But obviously that's a lot more typing, so I'm going to delete those lines because line 17 does the same thing and it's a lot more concise. So all 6 of those names, A, B, C, D, E and F, are now bound to the same object as another underscore list. That means we've now got 8 references to the same list. There's still only one list though. We haven't copied the list, we've just bound more names to it. We can use any of those names to refer to the list. So let's type in some more code. So line 18, print parentheses with A in the parentheses. Line 20, print parentheses, double quotes, adding cream. Line 21, b.append parentheses, double quotes, cream. We'll do that lowercase. Line 22, print C in parentheses. Line 23, print D in parentheses. We'll run the program now. You can see we've got cream in the list. No matter which of the names we use to refer to it, we've got cream, as you can see there. I used B to append cream to the list on line 21. When we print C and D on lines 22 and 23, we get the same list printed with cream. So try printing out the other names to check that they're all the same. Pause the video and come back when you've tried that. So there's still only one list with 8 aliases that we can use to refer to it. Now having 8 names for the same object isn't probably something you'd often do. That's a bit excessive, but having 2 or 3 aliases can be quite common. You'll see why that's useful later when we look at lists that contain lists. Alright, so I've promised that we'd look at other things that we can do with lists, and we'll start on that in the next video.